Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you.
Good morning, guys. It's day 13 of Artmas, and update on the hair. See there, the do-rag was really on there. You can see these creases, so it didn't fell off or anything. So this is the hair, still in a bun. I'm gonna keep it in a bun, and I'm going on the road. Wouldn't be able to vlog anything there, but this is how I'm going on the road. I'm wearing the brown shirt today, guys. So I will see you soon, guys. Alright, so today, guys, is actually day 13, right? I'm going to give you guys an update on the hair and the reason why I didn't make an actual video for today. So today's Friday. My daughter had family fun day, so I was with her the whole day, and I didn't want to put anybody's child on camera, so I did not vlog that any at all. But I did record the footage of my hair, as you see previously, and now I'm going to give you another update because I've discovered something. So while I was at the fun day, I realized my hair started itching. I mentioned in one of my videos, either part 3 or 2, that my hair doesn't itch, especially after a wash. My hair, no. So me itch my ear, me scratch my ear, I realize that I have dandruffs or dry scalp, or I don't know what to call it. So it's actually middle of the night now. It's actually after 7. My son is here playing, making a lot of noise. Alright, so I actually discovered that I have dandruffs in my hair. And if you watch, I'm going to insert a clip. Alright, so you get the scalp. Now I have some water in my hand, and then I rub it in. Put some water in my hand, rub it in, rub the water in, along with the shampoo. Yes. Get into the roots, get into the scalp. Massage it in, ensure you get every area, even the center. Get some water, rub it in. Alright, guys, so you can see there that I got every inch of my hair, and I even washed it 2 other times. When I was washing my hair, there was no sort of dandruff. There's nothing. Even the live that I uploaded, go and watch that. There was no trace of dandruffs in my hair or dry scalp or whatever you want to call those things in your hair. I don't get those things. Me, I don't get those things. I do not get those things. So as proof, so when I came home, as I promised, I'm gonna keep my hair protected because I want to take the blame off the shampoo. So as I reach home from the event that my daughter had, I put on this head wrap and go about my business, right? So I'm gonna take it off now to give you guys the update. See there, me already a scratch. But today is Friday, as I said. Thursday I washed it yesterday, and I have dandruff. So I'm gonna try and find it and see if I can even show you guys a little piece or something. See it here right here, so too. See it here right here, so. I don't know if you can see it. Alright, I can't see it. I can't see it, Baba. Focus. No, focus. I focus on my back hand. Alright, see it there. So, you come up to the floor. I don't know if you guys can see it. Alright, probably if I put it on the back. I can't go see it. I have it right here, so guys, right here. right here whole a year so dry, and I have dandruff here. And you can see that when I washed my hair yesterday, I make sure I went into the scalp. I didn't feel anything. I didn't feel anything. And especially after I wash my hair, next day have dandruff. Why? I never usually get that before. I know I usually get it in the summer because I was thinking because of the dryness, the heat, then my hair got dandruff then, and my hair was drying out. Probably that was the cause, but I'm now thinking done. Alright, so there's other ones there that I felt. See, one year right or so too, one day right or so. I think, didn't that shampoo say anti-itch? And I started itching the next day while I was at my daughter's event. One is right here. I wish my phone was good enough to like zoom in and show you. But hairdressers, oh, see one more here right so. See one more here right so. Let me see if we can pick out that one. I'm sure no say no lie me I tell. Nah sure man, nah sure. It's not showing. Alright, so one here, so one. Look here, it's not showing, just believe me guys. My phone is not good enough to zoom up and do all of those fanciness right now. So it's not showing, just believe me that my hair has dandruff. I don't know if that's what they call it in America or other countries, but it's basically like a dry, flaky thing in your hair. So, oh my god, this is the next one. What if we can show you this one? Jesus, one big one here right there, so. No, oh no, no. No. Oh my god. Jeez. A big one. Jesus. What? And the more me feel, guys, is the more me feel the one I want to say. The more me feel is the more me I find. What in the world? What happened? No, I don't understand. I washed my hair yesterday. This wasn't in my hair yesterday. I don't understand. So one more right here, so. Watch out. This one a big one right here, son. Guys, I don't get dandruffs. I don't get these things. What? The devil is a liar. No. Especially after wash, guys. There's no way me can get so much dandruff. I'm not gonna stay long on here, but as me I go through each twist, I'm feeling more either at the side in the part or in the actual twist area. So if you're an hairdresser out there, let me know what your thoughts are. Let me know what is happening. As I say, my hair does not get that, especially after I wash. I would understand probably like during the 2 weeks period of wearing this hair, or a 1 week period of wearing this hair, but next day after wash, no. No, 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 no. I look. I've been watching my hair for a long time. Even though I wasn't taking care of it, I have been watching my hair. So I know my hair. Comment down below and let me know what is happening. I will see you soon, guys. Bye. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.